Topic is applications of matrices and determinants. Lesson number 1. Okay. Now, subtopic is rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix. First, already known result. Rank of a zero matrix. Rank of a zero matrix is 0. Rank of a zero matrix is 0. How to find rank of a matrix? There are two types. One is type number 1, ordinary type. This type is very useful for 2 cross 2 matrix and 3 cross 3 matrix. Suppose the rectangle matrix 3 cross 4, 4 cross 3, 4 cross 4, 4 cross 5. The following matrices 3 cross 4, 4 cross 3, 4 cross 5, 5 cross 4. We have to using type number 2. Echelon form is very useful for the type number 2. Type number 2, echelon form. Echelon form. First, we have to take type number 1. This is very useful for 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 matrix. Echelon form is using for 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 4 matrix, 4 cross 3 matrix, 4 cross 5 matrix, 5 cross 4 matrix. Okay. Now we are going to take EX number 1.1. Sum number 1. Find the rank of the following matrix. Find the rank of the following matrix. Number 1, subdivision number 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let the given matrix capital A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. So type number 1. Type number 1. The determinant value of A is 5 8s are 40 minus 7 6 are 42 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is not equal to 0. The determinant value of the given 2 cross 2 matrix is not equal to 0, then rank will be 2. Rank of capital A is 2, or the symbol row of A is equal to 2. A 2 cross 2 matrix. First to find determinant of A. Suppose the determinant of A is not equal to 0, then rank will be 2. Suppose equal to 0, then there exists at least only one indices A11, A12, A21, A22. Any one not equal to 0, then rank will be 1. Very important thing. 2 cross 2 matrix. Determinant of A is not equal to 0, then rank will be 2. If not, suppose is equal to 0. Determinant value of A is equal to 0. Then there exists at least a single A11 or A12 or A21 or A22 not equal to 0. Then rank will be 1. Okay. Next, subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 2. The given matrix is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 3, 6. Let capital E is equal to 1 minus 1, 3, 6. Determinant of A is equal to 1 minus 1, 3, 6 is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus of minus is positive 3 is equal to 9. 1 minus 1, 3, 6. 6 plus minus 3 is not equal 9. 9 is not equal to 0. In this case, determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of A is 2. Rank of A is 2 or A is equal to 2. Question number 3. Two cross two matrix 1 4 2 8. 1 4 2 8. Now let capital A is equal to 1 4 2 8. Determinant of A is 1 4 2 8 is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Suppose determinant of A is not equal to 0, then rank will be 2. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Therefore, rank will be 2. In this case, is equal to 0. Then there exists at least a single A11, A12, A21, A22 not equal to 0. In this case, all are not equal to 0. Therefore, rank will be 1. Rank of A is 1 or rank of A is equal to 1. This is simple. Okay. Now, subdivision number 4. Two minus 1 1, 3 1 minus 5 1 1 1. Let capital A is equal to square matrix 3 cross 3 2 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 5 1 1 1. To find the determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 5 1 1 1. Now 2 into 1 into 1 is 1, minus of minus positive 5, minus of minus 1, so plus 1 into, delete first row, second column, we get 3 minus 5, 1, 1, so 3 plus 5 plus 1 into, delete first row, last column, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 8, 1 into 8 plus 1 into 2, 2 6 are 12 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 22. 22 is not equal to 0. Okay, 22 is not equal to 0, then rank will be, this is 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 3, therefore rank will be 3. Rank of capital A is 3. Suppose 2 cross 2 matrix is given, determinant of A is not equal to 0, then rank will be 2. In this case, rank of A is 3. Why? The reason is 3 cross 3 matrix is given, therefore rank will be 3, or rank of A is equal to 3. This is type number 1. Type number 1. Now we are going to take the same problem, type number 2. Let capital A is equal to, let capital A is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 3, 1 minus 5, 1, 1, 1. Now we are going to take echelon form. In this case, take echelon form. Introduction of echelon form. Let capital A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Using some rules, interchange first row and second row and third row, or first row and third row. Next, the column wise changing. First, C1 minus C2, or C2 minus C3, or C3 minus C1, anyone. Or adding rows or column. Suppose adding the rows, first and second. First and second means A11 plus A22, A12 plus A22, A13 plus A23. Suppose the second and third, A21, A31, A22 plus A32, A23 plus. Next rule is, you have to, very important case, you have to take A11 as 1. A11 as 1. Next, change row wise or column wise. A21 is 0, A31 is 0, and A32 is 0. So this is 0, 0, 0. Very important thing is A11 indices. You have to change row wise or column wise. Change A11 indices will be 1. A21, A31, A32 will be 0. And then third point, A33 is not equal to 0. You have to eliminate A33 into 0. Then rank will be 2. Number of non-zero rows, first and second row. Therefore, if not, we cannot convert A33 into 0. We cannot convert A33 into 0. Then rank will be 3. Why? A33 is a number. We cannot convert into 0. So, number of non-zero rows, third, second and first. So, totally 3 rows are non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows are 3. Then rank of the given matrix is 3. If not, suppose first A11, A12, A13 not equal to 0. A21, A22, A23 is not equal to 0. Last column all are 0, then rank will be 2. Then minimize or change row wise, column wise. The second row fully 0. That is A22, A23 and A33 are 0. So number of non-zero rows are only one row, first row. Therefore rank will be 1. So we are going to take the echelon form. First thinking is A11 indices will be 1. Next thinking is A21, A31 and A32 will be 0. The third point is A33 is equal to 0. Then we are going to take number of non-zero rows 2. Therefore rank will be 2. Suppose we cannot change A33 into 0. Then number of non-zero rows 3. R1 first row, R2 second row, R3 third row. Then rank of the matrix is 3. Suppose we convert A22 is equal to 0, A23 is equal to 0, A33 is equal to 0. Then number of non-zero rows only one row, first row. Other two rows are 0. Therefore rank will be 1. This is very important point. One is A11 is 1. Then these three A21, A31, A32 are 0. Next number 3 is we are going to convert or eliminate A33 number into 0. Then rank will be 2. Suppose A22, A23, A33 all are 0. 1, 2, 3. Second row fully 0. Third row fully 0. Then rank will be 1. Suppose we cannot convert A33 is not equal to, we cannot convert A33 is 0. That is A33 not equal to 0. And A22, A23 not equal to 0. First row not equal to 0. Then rank will be 3. Okay. This is very important concept. Now we are going to take subdivision number 4. The same problem. Let capital A is equal to 2, 3, 4. Capital A is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Next 3, 1 minus 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now using the echelon symbol is equal to, equivalent to this symbol is equal to. We are going to take A11 indices will be 1, in this case 2. Therefore change first row and third row. So R1, new R1 implies old R1, new R1 implies old R1 and old R3, or R1 implies and implied by R3. This means interchange R1 and R3, easy one. Change first row into third row into first row. So 1, 1, 1. Next 3, 1 minus 5. Next 2 minus 1, 1. Now this step is equivalent to, that is echelon symbol. Interchange first and third row. R1 means first row, R3 means third row, interchanging symbol is this one. Okay, next first rule is okay. Next 1 1 1. Now multiply R1 by 3, subtract, we get 0. Therefore R2, new R2 implies old R2 minus 3R1. This means new R2 implies old R2 minus multiply R1 by 3, then subtracting R2 minus 3R1, we get new R2. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, here 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Here 3 minus 8, minus 5, minus 3 is minus 8. Next, multiply first row by 2, subtract third row, we get 0. Okay, so the notation is new R3 implies old R3 minus 2R. New R3, this is new R3, implies old R3 minus 2 into old R1, we get new R3. Now new R3, 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, here 2 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3. Next, here 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now, echelon symbol 1 1 1 0 minus 2 minus 8. Next, we are going to change minus 3 into 0. Minus 3 into 0. How to change minus 3 into 0? Second row multiplied by 3. So minus 6. Third row multiplied by 2. Then 6. Adding we get 0. So the rule is R3, new R3 implies old R3 multiplied by 2. Old R3 multiplied by 2 minus old R2 multiplied by 3. Third row multiplied by 2, here minus 6. Second row multiplied by 3, here minus 6. Subtracting minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Therefore 0. Next 0. Next 0. Next, here multiplied by 2, minus 16. Here R3 is multiplied by 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 24. Minus 2, minus of minus plus 24 is 22. Very important concept. Second row multiplied by 3, so minus 6. Third row multiplied by 3, so 2. 2 3s are 6, minus 6, minus of minus plus 6 is 0. Next, second row multiplied by 3, minus 24. Here multiplied by 2, minus 2, minus of minus plus 24 is 22. Okay, now A11 indices will be 1, A21, A31, A32 will be 0. Second rule is over. Third rule, we are going to eliminate. A33 indices, that is 22, will be 0. In this case, 22 into 0, we cannot eliminate this 22. Why? The reason is, suppose first row multiplied by some number, subtracting or adding, we get 0 into number, 0 into number. Therefore, we cannot eliminate this 22. So, number of non-zero rows. First row is non-zero row, second row is non-zero row, third row is non-zero row. Why? The reason is, there exists at least only one indices will not be equal to 0, then non-zero rows. Okay. So, number of non-zero rows 3. Therefore, rank of, here capital E, rank of the matrix A is 3, or the symbol rank of A is equal to 3. Next, question number 6. Question number 6, subdivision number 6. 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 6, 3, minus 7. Let capital E is equal to, this is 3 cross 4 matrix. Order of the matrix is 3 cross 4 matrix. Order of matrix is 3 cross 4. How many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 4 columns. Therefore, 3 cross 4 matrix. So, we are going to take first type or second type. First type, first we have to take first 3 columns. Then omit first column, next take 3 columns. Then second omit, second column omitting, we get first, second and first, third and fourth column. Next, third column omitting, first, second and third column. Then last column omitting, we get first column, second column, third column. These are all 3 cross 3 matrices. Then using type number 1, all the determinant values of 3 cross 3, there are 4 types, 4 3 cross 3 matrix. The determinant value not equal to 0, then rank of the matrix is 3. Otherwise, 2 or 1. Okay. Now, it is easy one. 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 4 matrix is given, then echelon form is very very useful for this problem. 3 cross 4 is given. Minimum number is 3. So, suppose we are going to find using the echelon form, the rank of the matrix is 3. 4 is maximum number. We are going to take minimum number is 3. Otherwise 2, otherwise 1. So, the rank of the matrix, subdivision number 6 is, 1 is rank of A is 3 or 2 or 1. The 3 ranks only taken from this problem. The reason is 3 cross 4 is order of the matrix, minimum number is 3. So, maximum rank 3, then 2 or 1 is rank of the matrix. Let capital E is equal to, let capital A is equal to, using type number 2. Let capital A is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Next, 2, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 6, 3, minus 7. Let a capital A is equal to given matrix. First row 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 3. Second row 2, 4, 1, minus 2. Third row 3, 6, 3, minus 7. Let A is equal to. Using the echelon symbol, the first indices will be 1. So, given problem already 1. 1 is given. So, 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Next, 2, 4, 1, minus 2. Third row, first element will be 0. How to write 3 into 0? R3, new R3 implies old R3 minus 3R1. Multiply first row by 3, subtract from third row. So, first 0, 3, 3, 3 is first 0. Second 6, 6, again 0. Next 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 6. Next 9, minus 7, minus 9. Minus 7 minus 9 is minus 16. Very, very important. First 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. Minus 3, 3 minus of minus 3 is 6. Here 9. Minus 7 minus 9 is minus 60. Okay. Next, using the echelon form. First row 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Now, second row 2 into 0. Second row 2 into 0. How to write 2 into 0? Multiply first row by 2. Subtracting second row we get 0. So, R2, new R2 implies old R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here 4, 4 minus 4 is 4 minus 4 is 0. Here minus 2, 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 3. Next, here 6, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Minus 8. Third row as it is 0, 0, 6, minus 16. Next, 1 is over. A11 indices will be 1. A21, A31, A32 will be 0. So, second rule is over. Next, we are going to take third row. Remaining elements will be 0, then rank will be 2. Remaining elements 6 minus 16 into 0, then rank will be 2. Using the rule, how to write 6 minus 16 into 0? There is a rule. 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Next 0, 0, 3, minus 8. Next rule, R3, new R3 implies old R3. Old R3 means this row minus 2 R2. New R3, new R3 implies old R3 minus 2 into old R2. Okay. So, here 0, next 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, minus 16 minus of minus plus 16 is 0. Now, third row, all the elements are 0. So, number of non-zero rows, first row and second row. Suppose 3 minus 8 into 0. Change 3 and minus 8. That is A2, 3 and A2, 4 elements will be 0. then rank will be 1. In this case, number of non-zero rows 2. Number of non-zero rows 2. Therefore, rank of capital A, the given matrix, yes 2, or the symbol rank of A is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Now, today homework, EX number 1.1, sum number 1, subdivision number 7 and 8, and sum number 2. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you, students.